experiencing slow speeds or dropped connections with your Spectrum Wi-Fi 6E router? A simple reboot or soft reset is often the first and easiest solution. This process temporarily powers down your router, clearing its temporary memory and refreshing connections without erasing your settings. To reboot, simply unplug the router from the power outlet. Wait 30 to 60 seconds to allow any residual electricity to dissipate. Then plug the router back in. The LED lights will cycle, typically showing amber during the restart process, which takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Alternatively, you can use the Spectrum app or access the router's web interface at spectrum.net to initiate a reboot remotely. Access the router's web interface at spectrum.net. Rebooting is like restarting your computer. It resolves minor glitches, IP conflicts, or overloaded caches, ensuring optimal performance. Aim to reboot weekly for optimal performance. If a reboot doesn't resolve your router issues, a factory reset or hard reset may be necessary. This restores the router to its original manufacturer settings, erasing all custom configurations, Wi-Fi passwords, and potentially even firmware updates. Only use this as a last resort because it will disconnect all devices. Locate the Recessed Reset button on the back or bottom of your Spectrum Wi-Fi 6E router. Use a paperclip to press and hold the button for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights begin to flash, indicating the reset process has started. The router will automatically reboot. Note, for Wi-Fi 6E models, you might need to re-download firmware updates after a factory reset. Remember, this erases all your settings, so you'll need to reconfigure your Wi-Fi network and any custom settings afterward using the Spectrum app or web portal. For persistent issues, contact Spectrum support at 1-800-892-4357.